another installment of my quick fix series with replacing the taillights on a new generation Saab 9.3. This one has a bunch of like water that got in it and is all around the outside and bottom, not to mention there's a moth right there. So it looks kind of shitty. I have a spare one for when I put the ice blocks on this car. So that's what we're doing today. First thing you're going to want to do is pop your trunk. If you're doing one of these two lights, then you're going to want to pop all these clips out right here. Looks like all these are pretty much missing though. There's probably about a dozen of them around the edge. And you can pull this off. After you pull this off, you'll have access to the tail light similar to what's back over here in this corner. We're just going to be doing this one side over here. You can see there are 3 10mm nuts that you have to take off. This one here, that one there, that one there, and then there's one electrical connector right here. Same thing goes for if you're doing the other side. Just pull this back. You have the exact same situation.
We have 3 friends. 1, 2, 3. Another friend. That's already loosened because, you know, we screwed up the first time. It's fine.
Oh shit, the whole bulb holder's gonna come out. Okay, well sometimes that might happen. The whole bulb holder might come out. Make sure when you're doing this too, you keep an awkward hunched position over the back of the car.
You gotta caress the light bulb, you know what I mean?
No.
You gotta keep it safe. Make it feel like it's safe and at home.
And with that, taillight should pop out. Just kind of either push it from the back or pull it from the side. Well, the lighting is really dark for some reason, but there's the old one out.
Yeah.
Now we can put the new one in. New one just slides in. Should go into those 3 holes up there pretty easily.
Put your 3 friends back.
Yep.
There's broken glass in here.
Just gonna ignore that. It might be easier to just use a 10mm ratchet and socket. Just FYI. And a wrench like this probably would be much easier. I just grab this though, and then plug that in. And you'll hear it click.
Done.
And just like that, done. So that's quick and easy how you replace the tail light on a 2003 and newer 9.3. If you have any more suggestions for simple fixes like this, I guess leave them down below in the comments. With that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.